Hey guys, welcome back to Rebecca's Corner. So I'm gonna try to do this quick Hobby Lobby haul before I have to leave and head to church. So, I do have a Hobby Lobby close by, but unfortunately I can't find everything that I wanted at my local store. So I just ordered it all online and said forget it. I don't have time for that. So we're gonna try to do this real quick. So I am making that, I am making a 3-tiered solar fountain, out of flower pots, and I needed some buckets to hold the pots on top of each other, so got 2 of these, different sizes, one's a small and one a little large. Now you can tell the difference in the sizes. So one's a small, one's a large. So those are going to be put inside the buckets or my flower pots. Okay. So I got me some silicone swirl soap molds. Can't see what it is. Let me get it. Because I'm going to do I'm going to start off with soap making. I bought the kit. So look how cool. I thought these were really pretty, so I'm excited to try this. New adventure, not something I've done before, but long to learn. And then I got some deco mesh. So I got the regular black to make some wreaths. Then I got the burlap looking one. Then I got orange, white, and yellow. So I'm going to make a witch hat wreath, which is where the black one, another candy corn wreath, which is the white, the orange, and the black, and then the burlap is going to go on a scarecrow hat wreath. I do sell all of these on my Etsy shop. I can link it down below for you if you like. Oh, also got an actual roll of just the burlap. So there's that. I got some wooden words for some wreaths because I could never find the size that I need in store. Anyway, these look like they might be a little small, but I can make them work. So I got the home sign. I got welcome, bless. I love this to go on the pumpkin wreaths that I do, or Thanksgiving wreaths. I actually got 2 of the blessed ones, so 2 of those. And then I got grateful. So I'm going to do some really pretty wreaths with those. Nice on top of it. Take those, and here is my soap making kit. I got the oatmeal and vanilla scent ones. Never done this before, so I'm excited to try this new adventure with you guys. It just looked like something neat, something I would love to do. And I got this one because I think I'm going to put this up in my craft room because I really liked it. Bigger than I wanted it to be. I kind of wanted it smaller, but I think I'm going to hang it in here somewhere because this room is kind of dull. Okay, well that's it. That is all of my recent Hobby Lobby haul. Like I said, most of it is just deco mesh for wreath making, and then the soap making kit. I think we're going to attempt that together. I'm not sure yet. But, alright, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm sorry this one is kind of short, but hopefully later this week we will get started on a wreath or maybe make some soaps. I'm not sure yet. I haven't figured it out. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. If you like this video and like seeing like hauls and stuff, hit the like button and let me know. Leave me a comment down below. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. I love to have you all as my craft buddies, my YouTube family. We are growing slowly, but we are growing, and I'm excited to see what this coming season is going to have in store for us. So stay tuned. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.